Hi guys, welcome to Operation Crypto. This is a price analysis update on Coti, which is ticker COTI. We'll have a look at some previous levels, which I didn't mention in the previous video, and then we'll have a look at some new levels where we could potentially invest, and some areas above if we're looking for some take profit, accumulation zones, or even a bit of a price prediction thrown in there. If you're new to this channel, please make sure that you are subscribed, hit that like button, and let's crack on. So welcome, this video is in partnership with Cointelegraph Markets Pro. If you want to get one step ahead of the game and check out the Vortex scores and newsquakes, you will find that link in a pinned comment and the description. So this is Coti versus the dollar daily time frame on Binance. Last time we did some price analysis, I was looking at the entire move, so we had that double bottom down there on the daily time frame, and we've done quite well. I mean, in terms of price rise from that bottom to the very top, we did a 444% recovery, which is insane. And then I did identify a few key levels on the last video. You know me, I always look at Fibonacci levels, and this is why we did that major move up. And look at that, we've come down and retested that 618 level, which is what I always look for. I think when I did the price analysis video, we was around here. I didn't think we made it, but then we come back up, retested this 40 cent area, and then rejected, and we've come back down and we have tapped that 618 level, and as you can see, no closures below that, so that was a bullish sign. And for me, that was the bottom, and the time to push on is now, and that's exactly what it's doing. If you're looking at current price action from that 618 level, just around down there, so far we made a 75% recovery, and we are up on today's trading around 2%, nothing major, but over the course of the last 4 or 5 days, we are up quite a significant amount. So what I want to do now is have a look at some new key levels where we could potentially invest, and I want to analyze this latest move. So we'll drop down into the 4 hour. Actually, one thing before I do, I just want to point out something that this is one hell of a cup and handle. There's cup and handles all over the shop at the minute across cryptocurrency, mainly altcoins, as you can see. Massive cup there, handle here, so I'm looking for major breakouts, and this could be the start of that major breakout. We are coming towards around, what is it now, the 17th of September. I'm reckon by October we will be pumping hard. So that's that. Just going back to what I was saying before though, so look at some buy zones, and I want to analyze this latest move, and I'll look for a few key levels. So what we could do is analyze this entire move from here, this wick. So we did that major move up, retraced, and then this is the start of the next move. So if you're looking for buys on Coti, we will see a few key levels. So we've popped up, we've actually used this 382 twice. So if you zoom right in, you can see that we've got 2 weeks there on that 382 level and push back up. If we reject from here though and come back down and lose that level, I would look at buys here at 32 cent. I think 32 cent is a good area to buy. And if we do get a market shakeout, because there's still quite a lot of bears out there, then it's a 50-50 chance. Is it, do whales send it or do whales dump it? If whales dump it, then you can look at levels back down here around 28 cent short term. So that could be an area. But for me, I'm more in favour of bullish price action, probably going on for the remainder of this quarter. I know BitBoy and a few other people seem to think that's it, October, sell up and don't buy anything for 4 years. But for me, I think it's I really think it's part of this next wave that we're going to encounter soon. So that's your buy zones there. Anyway, from 32 cent down to 28 cent. And then dropping back to the daily, I want to have a look at a few key levels above. So if you're looking to take profit, the first major area for me, if you wanted to take profit, to mainly accumulate or even just skim a bit of profit off, is around 49 cent. I mentioned this throughout all my videos. If you're ever looking to take profit, do not sell on a round number. A lot of people have been waiting for 50 cent fill there, which is around there. Never quite gets there. So if you're ever looking for sell, do not sell on a round number. You can see we rejected it at 49 cent, rejected here at 49 cent, and we rejected here again. If we just copy that, drag that across, you can see we rejected there again. So that just show that never sell on a round number, and it's a key area. If we do break above 49 cent and close above it, we will then go into all-time highs, which is up here at 58 cent. But all in all, things are looking good. that is the areas where I would be looking to skim profit off at 49 cent and then at 58 cent. But let's have a look at this in terms of a bit of a price prediction. So I just want to zoom out a little bit. And in terms of Fibonacci's and where this could go, so we'll go from the top there to the bottom. If you look there, we had that nice, pretty much like a U-shaped recovery, aren't we? Massive cupping handle. I mean, if we're looking for some price predictions or price targets going forward, we've got these regions up here. We've got 88 cent, $1.38, $1.78, $2.37, and then a massive one at $3.37. I reckon there's a good chance this cycle that we can either get to these two regions, either around 178 to 237. I think if you put some sell orders at there, I think there's quite a high chance that you will get some filled there towards the end of this year. And we'll just take a quick look at the BTC pair. So this is a daily time frame on Binance. Massive red band of resistance up here, which is similar to that 49 cent region. The Bitcoin pair didn't quite blast through it. It shows that it's a tough region to get through there. And that's at around 990 satoshis. You could say 1,000 sats. 1,000 sats is probably that major area there. But looking at what's gone on over this entire move here in terms of fib levels from the bottom to the top. Again, we've come down and we've done a 61% retracement and pushed to the upside. And now we're using this 382 level of support. I still think in October that Bitcoin is going to go on a bit of a mega run, push up towards 60k. If that does happen, Satoshi pairs will start to feel pain. So if you're looking for orders, I'd still place them down here at 566. I think 566 sats is a decent area for you to target in buys. But if that doesn't happen and you're looking for some sells, 1,000 sats is going to be one hell of a price level to get through. So that's going to do it for today's video. Just some quick fire analysis on Coti, just an update. We've not done one for around 2 weeks now, so some new key levels for you there if you are an investor. If you're new to this channel, please make sure that you are subscribed, hit that like button, and I'll catch you next time.